Module of Operation Management. My name is Karina Carrero and I will teach you the whole topics and sections under Operation Management. Welcome. First, will be introduce you to the field of production and operation management. This is decision-oriented and provide you with a broad understanding and knowledge of several operation management concepts, such but are limited to operation performance, operation strategy, process design, forecasting, and facility layout. We will be doing emphasis in the application of the concept to the actual business situation. We strongly recommend you to get this book, Operation Management, Sustainability and Supply Chain Management, a global edition, the 11th edition, by Jay Hazer, Texas Lutheran University, and Barry Render, Graduate School of Business, Rollins College. This will be the book for this course. Okay, the topics that we'll be covering is in the section 1, operation functions, and the section 2, process design, section 3, productivity, section 4, product design, section 5, planning and controlling, section 6, operational strategy, section 7, cost performance objectives, section 8, quality, section 9, sustainability. Okay, what are the topics of this section? We will go through the global company profile of Hard Rock Cafe, as you will know for sure this company. Where is operation management? Organizing to produce goods and services. Where is that? The supply chain. Why study operation management? What operation management for this section? Okay, what are the learning objectives? When you complete this chapter, you should be able to first define operation management, second, explain the distinction between goods and services, and third, explain the difference between and productivity. Also, you will be able to compute the single factor of productivity, compute the multi-factor of productivity, and identify the critical variables in enhancing productivity. So let's talk about operation management at Hard Rock Cafe. The first restaurant opened in 1971. Now they have more than 150 restaurants in over 53 countries. Rock music is a memorabilia. They create value in the form of good food and entertainment. They have more than 3,500 custom meals per day in Orlando, just as an example. In this restaurant chain, the role of the operation management is key to have a successful experience for all of the tourists that visit Hard Rock Cafe in different parts of the world. So this is the challenge. Let's work how. Let's see how how we can define operation management to get these amazing results. So, where is operation management? Production is the creation of goods and services. On the other hand, operation management is the set of activities that create value in the form of goods and services by transforming inputs into outputs. So, production is one of the processes that are, let's say, managed by the operation management. Some of the essential functions of the operation management are marketing, that generates the demand, production and operation, as I just told you, is the one that creates the product, and finance and accountant is the one that tracks how the organization is doing in terms of income, expenses, and results and profitability from its own. So let's go through from different organizational charts in different industries to see what's the role of operation in that companies. We have, for example, a commercial bank. In the case of we have the operations, have the teller scaling, the check clearing, the collection, transaction processing, facilities design and layout, the vault operation, maintenance and security. And we have finance that handle the investment, security, real estate, accounting, auditing, marketing that handle the loans, commercial, industrial, financial, personal mortgages, and the trust department. So this is in the case of a commercial bank. Where is the operation management with these three areas. In the case of airline, that's the second example, we said that operation handle the ground support equipment, maintenance, ground operation, and flight operations, and management science. In the finance and accounting department, they handle the whole payable, receivable, general ledger, finance, cash control, internal exchange, and marketing handle the traffic administration between reservations, schedule, traffic, sales, and advertising. So it's very interesting in the case of airlines how the operation management and each key area handle different processes. Let's see the other example. In the case of a manufacturing process, organizational chart, manufacturing company, you have that the operations handle the facilities, construction, maintenance, production, inventory control, scheduling, and materials control, quality assurance and control, supply chain management, manufacturing, design, product development and design, these are product specifications, industrial engineering, efficient use of machines, space, personal, process analysis, development and installation of production tools and equipment. In the case of the process of finance and accounting, you have disbursement and credits, receivables, payable, general ledger, funds management, money in market, international exchange, capital requirement, stock issue, bond issue or recall, and marketing, sales, promotion, advertising, sales, and market research. So it's very see how these key processes of operational management differs in general, but in the sense they have the same role in the different industries. If you took the training about supply chain, you may remember that the supply chain is a global network of organization activities that supply a firm with goods and services, and it goes through the farmer when you get the raw materials onto the retailer or the final point of contact with the client. So the members of the supply chain, as you see there in the slide, they collaborate to get the high level of customer satisfaction, efficiency, and competitive advantage, because in that way the company will get first to the market, be more profitability, will save costs. That's the important role of the supply chain in the company. So in a company, it is three options for increasing contribution. Let's see this example with numbers that I really love it. You will see in the left sales, cost of goods, gross margin, finance costs, then the subtotal and the contribution after tax. The current state is that based on the sales are 100,000. After you do the whole math about everything, you will have that the contribution is 10,500. Let's go through the marketing option. They say increase the sales revenue of 50%. So now my sales are 150,000, and at the end the final contribution is 80,000. If we go through the finance and accounting option, let's see that we focus on that in increasing or just focus in the reduce finance cost by 50%. You will see the reduction there in the finance cost. There is 3,000 instead of the 6,000 of the first two options, and at the end the contribution of doing this is 12,750. But if you go through the operation management option, there is reduced production cost by 20%. You will have like the sales and are still the same. We will have 74,000 in the cost of goods, and at the end the total contribution remaining the same. The other items of this incomes and sales analysis. The total contribution of the reduction of production costs in 20% would be the 22,500,000. So you will get more value when a company get focused on operational management option. So let's learn more what is this about. So what the operation managers do, there is basically the following functions: planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. So let's learn a little bit about each one. And in terms of decision, there are 10 strategic decisions of any operation management. They have decision of goods and services, managing quality, process and capacity design, location strategy, layout strategy, human resource and job design, supply chain management, inventory management, scheduling, and maintenance. Go through each one, and this will cover the basic management function that I just mentioned before. Okay, and in case of design of goods and services, in this key decision, strategy decision, there are two specific things. Define what is required of operations and product design that determine the quality, sustainability, and human resource that are required. So in this point is design of goods and services. This is the key because this is the input of the rest of the decision that this manager should take. In terms of the process and capacity design, he have to answer the question, how is a good or service produced? And specify what are the technology, the quality, resources, and investment that is required. In terms of the location strategy, nearness to the customer, this is really key in terms of the supply chain, suppliers, and talent. It will save costs and will increase efficiency of the company. Considering costs, infrastructure, logistics, and government as part of the location of a strategy. In terms of layout strategy, integrate capacity needs, personal level, technology and inventory, and determine the efficient flow of materials, people, and information. This is very important because it will save money, add more value to the process, and it could implement like all of the best practices like Toyota in terms of layout, Kanban, and all of different techniques and tools to make sure that the flow of materials, the people, and information is efficient. You must be wondering, where are the operation management jobs? Well, in terms of the technology and methods, facilities and space utilization, strategic issues, response time, people and team development, customer services, quality, cost reduction, inventory reduction, and productivity. These are the key jobs that are related with the operation management in high demand. And of the market, there's opportunity as a plant manager, operations analyst, quality manager, supply chain manager and planner, and process improvement consultants. That's my specialty. Also, there are well valued in the market from these positions the following certification. This is an example: the APICS, the Association for Operation Management; American Society for Quality; the ACQ, Institute of Supply Management; Project Management Institute, from all of the whole set of certification that they have available. Council of Supply Chain Management Professional, and Charter Institute of Purchasing and Supply. This is just an example of the certification if you are looking for a job in this area in operation management. You should be looking for a professional certification to have like a grounded methodology and tools to apply in your job. That's really a good practice to do that. So this is the end of section 1. See you in the next session.